Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Ubri One AI channel.
Now, this video is to explain what is expected of you and what you are to expect throughout the training. As you all know, this training is all about AI side hustles, some side hustles we can take using AI. Okay, so this is what we do. Now, Ubri AI channel or Ubri AI is all about AI side hustles, and these are some of the things we do. We are into AI blocking for passive income. In this, you use AI to generate search engine optimized blog articles. We monetize them with ads and affiliate links. Another thing we do is AI video generation. We use AI to generate videos. Those videos are used by ads companies, businesses, individuals, and content creators. Then they pay you as you do that. Also, we do AI chatbot services, businesses set up AI chatbot for small businesses to improve customer service. In this uh, side of the business, you generate or you set up AI powered chatbot for WhatsApp, for Facebook, for those social media, especially for small businesses. Mainly, those businesses are to online market. Maybe you're selling people that want to, or you're providing services who want to make an inquiry. So if you have up to 10 people at a go, chatting up those 10 people, 10 persons will be a bit task. So with AI chatbot, you can set up frequently asked questions or stuff like that. So when people come to the site, they will chat with AI, and when they are ready to make sales or pay for services, that's when the AI, the chatbot will now transfer to you, and it will make the whole work very easy. The next one is faceless YouTube channels. So you can launch a faceless YouTube channel using AI. You can create just like we created the other one. We create videos for people. You can create video without actually showing your face. Like most of the videos we are going to use, most of the videos, the audio we are going to use in this training are AI generated. Yeah, they actually my voice, but we use AI to change those voice. We A lot of things are done using AI, so we can use AI create animated videos, contents, scripts. Put you use it on your AI channel. I mean your YouTube channel without actually showing your face. Another thing is AI newsletters for business. So you can actually write news. Use AI to just give AI prompts. Use that write newsletter. Then you can monetize them. As you can affiliate with the ads networks or you to get sponsorship. The next one is AI powered course creation. You can package knowledge into structured online courses, like what I'm doing now. Can package it into online courses. I make money for it. You pay, you subscribe to it either monthly or weekly or daily or per course. Then you have AI powered lead generation. So you write emails, outreach messages to business that need more clients. Just like what I'm doing now, I have over 50 people that we're sending emails to. We just ask AI to give us a sequence of messages. Then we send those messages to businesses that need more clients, and you get paid in the process. So all of these are very lucrative stores, but all of them are not that easy to come by because most of them you need clients, you need lead generation, you need people, need to get an audience, and it takes time. But what we'll be concentrating will, depending on the time, how we get time, this we may go through all these, may go through all of them. But For a start, we want to start with the simplest one, the one that can put food on our table so far before we proceed. And I want you to understand that the purpose of this training is just to make people have what to fall onto. Yes, that's why we are doing this training. So once at least God has given us the grace, we've seen the way. So is this our only little way of giving back to the society? But I want to assure you that this training is totally free. As far as God has given me the grace, it's going to be free. Everything is going to be free. All you need is just to get your laptop, get your internet connections, get your phones, and get the tools. We'll not charge you for anything. Anything we do here will be free. Until you start making your money, it's going to be free. Don't worry yourself. So we start with this AI blocking for passive income. Now, AI blocking for passive income is a bit compared to every other AI side hustle I've mentioned. So we are going to start with this. And starting with this, this is what we are to expect during this training. So let's go through the course outline one after the other. I'll explain them one after the other. This is the course outline. So for a start, we are going to do laptop introduction to tools. So the tools we need: a laptop, basically laptop, any laptop, Core i3 for a start, but mostly I recommend Core i5. If preferable for speed, you can use SSD, solid state disk, instead of a hard disk drive. It will be fine. Phone, any Android phone is good. You have a router or a Wi-Fi or your phone you can use as a source of internet. Then as a source of electricity, you have either your generator, your power bank, your NEPA. So this, for a start, I believe everybody will have this. Then these are the apps or the applications we are going to use. These are the applications we are going to use. We start with this application. We are going to use more of ChatGPT, AI, Google Documents, OneText.com, Canva, iStock Photos, Paraphraser. The paraphraser we are going to use is going to be Quillbot. Then we use Google social media. The social media we are using more is Facebook. Then the VPN. The VPN will come in a bit. Not will not use VPN so much, just a bit. Okay. Then in this next module, we are going to have search engine optimization. We're going to see how people search for content online, and how you can key into their search, how people search, what people want, how to know what people want in a particular niche, and so on and so forth. Okay, then we also look into blog post, how to write a blog post. To get a blog post, when you are writing blog post, you have title, content, image, meta description, and the keywords. Then module 5, we go into monetization, the website. So website, how to build a website, hosting, domain or sources, and we talk of traffic sources. Okay, we talk of organic and inorganic traffic sources. Then in module 6, we are going to look at traffic generation. Mostly, I told you that mostly our source of traffic will be Facebook. So we are going to look at how to create Facebook accounts, how to create a Facebook page, create and manage a Facebook page, how to create and manage Facebook groups, Facebook suspension, how when your account is suspended, how to appeal, and how to transfer groups, and how to make extra admins in Facebook groups. So this is the course outline. Now let me take an overview. Let me explain more about this, more about blog posts, AI blog posts for passive income. Now, this is how this business is. You generate blog posts, you write articles. Now, I don't want you to be bothered or think, how will I sit down to uh, generate posts, right? No, you're not going to write anything on your own. AI is going to do everything for you. Yes. I will give you a prompt, to send you a prompt. You tell AI what to do. We'll learn how to. That's the purpose of this uh, lesson. We'll learn how to write content, how to arrange them, how to generate content that people are what people want, how to know what people want and how to go about it. So in AI blocking, in blocking business, all you need to do is to solve people's problem. People have a lot of problem. Okay, so in my own way, I don't target Nigeria, Africa as my audience. No, I don't block for Africa. I don't do Nigerian blocking that they take fake news, post and look for traffic. No. And you see, discover that though they make money, but then you can't compare what they make to what I'm gonna show you. Now, so our target audience is United States of America. We call them tier one country. In online business, they consider Nigeria, all those countries, African countries, and some other countries of the world, these third world countries, they consider them as poor countries. So traffic generated in such areas always earn low income, though they will still bring income, but it will be very low. So what we do is we target those tier one countries, those world countries, rich countries. So traffic from those sources generates a lot of income, very massive. So we will be targeting United States of America, Canada, Australia, those Austria, all those tier one countries. Now, I want you to understand that 1 million views from African country or Nigeria in particular, 1 million views, that is 1 million page visitors that comes to your site. If you compare it to 1,000 people from United States of America, the difference is clear. 1 million views from Nigeria can give you, let's say, it can generate just $10 or $20. 1 million views, yeah. But 1,000, if you have 1,000 views from United States of America, depending on your RPM or CPC, you cannot have anything less than $150. You can see the difference. 1 million views can, depending on the CPC or whatever you have at the RPM there, you can have it as low as $10, 50, maximum 50, maximum. But 1,000 views. So you compare, you look at the market. So if you have a United States of American audience, it's very easy. Make more money. And this is very easy. Facebook makes everything very easy. With Facebook groups, you can target a particular location. Yes. So what I'm going to explain to you now is how we do these stuffs. Now, it is as simple as this. What we do is before now, we used to uh, write on request, write on request. Maybe people websites some websites will they want people to write particular posts. I like you write as a guest post, or you write as you feature in their website, write articles. They will pay you per content. Sometimes 800 words, they will pay you maybe $40, $50, depending on. Sometimes they pay you per time, how long you per hour. So if I'm using 1 hour to write the content, they will pay me for 1 hour. They can pay you up to $50, 40 per. So, but in the long run, things were not that easy. It was becoming tasky, demanding, and the pay was not that good. So we had to restructure coming into building a website. Then when we build a website, we now discover there are some ads company. You have ads company that are already established, and this ads company, what they do is they partner with these advertisers. Now they call us, we now we are publishers. You publish content, so you are a publisher. So there are ad companies that are very popular, about three of them that are very reliable, and I'm using them. You have number one is the Astera. Then you have the HB agency. Then you have the other of them, or which is um, Google AdSense. Yes, Google. Okay, so what these networks do, what they do is that they will liaise with advertisers, people that need ads. If you open your phone now, you see adverts everywhere. You see adverts on Facebook, you see adverts on if you open a website, you see adverts. So what they do is people pay for those ads. Yes, so there's money online. Money is already there. Those advertisers are even looking for audience. They want people that they can uh, make them visible. Yeah. So all you need to is just to key in. So we are publishers and they are advertisers. So this advertiser pay this money to this ad network. These ad networks are just acting as a link. They bring different ads advertisers, just like you have like maybe 1 million advertisers from Nigeria. So all of them would they trust Astera, so they pay their money to them. So Astera now partners with publishers. They have a platform partners with publishers. So when you have a website, you bring your website, you register your website with these networks. You can see sign up, sign it like this, Astera, sign up. This is AdSense. You can sign up HB agency, the same thing. You can sign up as a publisher. So when you partner with these websites, what they do with this ads network, like the HB agency, the Acera, and the AdSense. So what they do is they will send you a code, and you place those codes on the website. This partnership is it has a sharing formula depending on the network. So when publishers, I mean advertisers pay them, they will place those ads on your site through those codes. So you're able to display those ads on your site. Every time you display the ads on your site, and people, once someone comes into your site, let's say this is my website. Let's say I carry an article, I post an article concerning USA top 5 home insurance firms to choose in 2025. So if I take this article, I want to post this article. This, I told you this is the back end. This is my on-site. This is what I can see, and this is the front end. This is what viewers will see from the website. So if I take this post and place it and click it on the site, so see, this is what it will display. So you can see this is how viewers will see this website. So you see all these things you are seeing. These are ads. These are ad networks. All these you are seeing. These are adverts. Everything here from here, they are adverts. So you can see those are the adverts. And as people are viewing it, look at these are adverts. As people are seeing this being paid, we share it. We share whatever the advertisers are paid for. We share the revenue. Okay, so that is how it works. Now, the major thing here is how to get traffic. Yes, it's how to get traffic. And as I told you earlier, when you get traffic, when you get audience, it becomes life becomes very easy. Okay, but then let me take you into how many or what and what we write about. Like me, I write on about 5 categories. Look at it. We have finance, insurance, online marketing, scholarship, social media. Under social media, we have dating and relationship, marketplace. Then we have technology. Under technology, we have artificial intelligence and automation. Now, since we are targeting United States audience, you know that you cannot compare United States of America to Nigeria. Yes, in Nigeria, in Africa, basically, our relationship level is very high. We relate with people. It's very easy to ask, "Oh, I have a challenge. Can you help me?" There's even parents and parent relationship with children. You cannot compare it to what we have in Nigeria and what we have over there. Okay, so because of that, there's a lot of reliance on social media, on online, on websites. So people in United States of America rely on, let's say 90% of their life relies on information they get is on from online. Yes, mostly social media or websites, stuff like that. But they rely more on online because of their level of relationship. So we discover that one thing, Facebook now discovered this challenge that they have. Facebook introduced what they call Facebook dating. That feature of Facebook is only available in United States of America. Yes, because of the challenge they have. To marry, to date, marry is a problem today because they don't have that social relationship. They cannot just like Nigeria that you can just have people around you, you walk up to somebody, you say, this and that, you start a relationship. But they only depend on online. So most of the most of the articles we have is on most of my articles on relationship is on Facebook dating, how to use it because people don't know how to use it. Sometimes Facebook has placed so much restriction on it that if you misbehave, Facebook will take you out of it. So there are a lot of questions on how do I use it? What happened to my this? How do I activate it? How do I create a profile? How do I meet somebody to marry? How do I know that somebody is not ready to scam me? So stuffs like that are what we write about. Yes, on Facebook. That's and then on finance, you can write something on how to get loans. In America, they depend on those stuffs, how to get loan, how to get quick loan, how to get online loans, on insurance, car insurance, house insurance, family insurance, and so on and so forth. Then online marketing, mostly this has to do with stuffs online. How affiliate market, you can affiliate with somebody to get maybe to sell, make a profit. Scholarship, yeah, available scholarships. Then on social media, I've explained this already, dating and relationship. Then the marketplace, available marketplaces in the United States, you can get stuffs. Okay, then on technology, we talk about artificial intelligence and automation. So we write on these categories. Now, when you write anything, you write, you know, we write as I have shown you earlier. You write a blog post. You publish it on your website. This is how it looks when you publish it on your website. It looks like this. So you copy the link. When you copy the link, let's assume I have a Facebook page. This is my Facebook. Okay, let me open one of my Facebook accounts and see how we post. So if I copy, just like the article I copied earlier, I come to my Facebook group here. It's my Facebook group, marketplace group. I place the article. So look at this. I post the article. This is the article I want to show. I remove the link. So the article, you can see now, I'm not posting the full article. I'm just posting a link. So that somebody that is in this group now, somebody that is in this group, when it comes, he will see this link and it wants something related to this. Let me post it so you see the beauty of it all. So this is it. So it shows a picture, shows insurance. So somebody wants to have a problem on insurance, you will click on my site. You will click on this. When you click on this once you click on this link, it will take you to my website. So once it takes you here, all you do is start reading. As you're reading, see what happens. These are adverts. As I immediately enter the site, adverts, because I have partnership. These are Google adverts. Look at you. So you see this. These are adverts. So as you are reading, you are seeing the adverts, and I am making my money on it. So that is how the whole stuff continues. So another person enters. So like that, you accumulate money. You accumulate money. So now in this Facebook group, you can what I will explain this when we get to. So this Facebook, this is what makes it beautiful. You can actually set the location for this Facebook group. Look at this. Look at what Facebook they have done for us. See location. Why is it location? So under this location, I'm the one that I said this location. These are people I need on my group. So you can actually you can see you don't have all these countries are tier one and tier two countries. So I'm the one that said this location. These are locations I use. These are people I want. Though other people may still enter the site, but it will be more of this set of people. So you can see that makes life so easy. So people that have problem related to marketplace, when they come on their own, they will just enter this. So you can see like this, we have 152,200 members, 150,200 members on a group. Yeah, you start from one, start from two, start from three. it gets up here. So this most of this traffic, most of these people, let me go to participant. You see, most of these people here, most of them are, you can see top countries. Most of them are from United States. You can see here Brazil, South Africa, India, United Kingdom. Okay, so you can see mostly I have, this is what I need, South Africa, then you have, I mean, United States of America, then I have Brazil, then I have United Kingdom. These ones are just entering. The people will enter on their own, but more, what you want is more of these high tier countries. So that's that. So when you partner with these companies, they have their system. Okay, I didn't talk about the payment methods, like Astera payment methods. These stuffs are really legit because all of them use bank accounts. So you cannot say they are not legit because you need to open a bank account, submit your account information for payment. So, but Astera have alternative methods like cryptocurrency. Why they use cryptocurrency is because of challenges with the bank. Now, in Astera, for you to use a bank account, you have to accumulate $1,000. But with cryptocurrency, once you have $100, you can actually, they can actually pay you with your crypto wallet. Whereas HB agency, you need just 80 euros. HB agency pays in euros. You need just 80 euros. Once you reach 80 euros, they will pay you. Google AdSense pays in dollars. In Nigeria, they pay in dollars. So all you need is to accumulate up to $100. They will pay you. Now, Google AdSense pays like last month. They will accumulate from 1st of September to 30th of September. They accumulate it and they will pay you on the 21st or 20 from 20th upward. HB agency pays from on the 10th. Whatever you accumulated, they pay on the 10th. Astera pays every 2 weeks. They first pay on the first and second, then they pay on the 16th and 17th, twice a month. So once you get these stuffs, it's very easy. So for the purpose of this class, all of us, we are going to have a website. Now, this is a standard website. We call this WordPress. Now, to set up this website, you need close to $100 or more. So we are going to start with a free website, which is what we call the Blogspot. I don't think I have it here. We have the Blogspot. So we are going to start with the Blogspot website. It's a free website and it's approved by Astera. So we'll start with that. Okay, this is a Blogspot. This is how it looks. So you post articles, new posts, you stand here to post articles, will show us how to go about this. So we'll start with this and we'll start with Astera. That is very simple. So now let's go to the main business, which is traffic. How do we generate traffic? Now, as I said earlier, the main source of income here is traffic. If you don't have a good traffic, you're gonna have issues. You may say this thing did not work. Actually, it's working for people. So, how do you get traffic in a situation like this? So, I said I'm going to show us how to create Facebook accounts. But the first thing, what I advise people when I started this business, what I did was I had like 10 friends. So I went to them, help me with your Facebook account. You can still be using your Facebook account. I want to create page. I want to use the page for my business. Now, listen and hear me very well. There's a difference between a Facebook account, Facebook page, and Facebook group. We'll look into that. All of them operate in different ways. So you can actually use a Facebook account, a Facebook page. It has nothing to do with the account. The owner of the account will still be using his account to post his pictures, updates, watch whatever I watch without affecting that. Yes. So I got those stores from them, about 10 of them. I created pages on them. Now, you need more than one Facebook account. That's why I say you get from your friends. If you don't have friends that can trust you, we'll show you how to create Facebook accounts. Because the higher the traffic, the better for you, the more income comes in. And let me tell you one thing that is very special about this Facebook. It does not mean that you create a group today, the group will start growing today. Yes, it actually we don't understand how the algorithm works. Now, this is Facebook for you. You can create a group, you can create 4 groups today, and none of them grows as a non-member, but you create another group tomorrow. Those ones start having members. That's what we don't understand is Facebook algorithm. So it's not controlled by anybody, but all you just need to do your updates, do stuffs, but they will grow on their own. Members will start coming on their own. By growing on their own, I mean members joining your group. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that you need more for you to earn more income. If you have just one Facebook account, let's do the calculation. Let's say you have just your Facebook account. Each Facebook account, for a start, we can create 3 pages. Let's say 4 pages. We start. Let's start with 3 pages for a start. Later, you can add 2, making it 5. But for a start, we start with 3 pages. If it's an old account, so each Facebook account, you create 3 pages. On each page, you create 4 groups. So if you have one Facebook account, that means you have 4 times 3, that is 12 groups. Now, if you have in these 12 groups, you have 20 members, 20 times 12, that gives you 240 members. Okay, let's look at another person that, like me, when I started, I had friends that I was able to get 10 Facebook accounts from, and I create three groups on the 10. 10 times 3, that is 30. And on the 30, each of the 30 pages, I create four groups. 4 times 30, that's 120. 120 groups. Okay. The other person has 12 groups, and me, I have 120. Now we have 20 members. So the person that have only one account, I have 12 groups. When we have 20 members, he will get 240, while me, I will get 2,400. So you see the calculation. So you see, when let's assume 2,400 people enters my site, the income is not going to be the same as 240. So I like telling people, get accounts, get more Facebook accounts. Yeah. Anyhow, you're going to do it legit, legally, not impersonation. Yeah. Don't impersonate, do it legally so that you'll be on the right side of the law. Yes. So you can borrow from friends. There's no harm in that. Borrow from friends. Yeah. You can borrow as many as possible. So borrow from friends. You start that. We kickstart. So in the course of this class, we'll have to pause. Maybe we'll pause some stuff and start creating Facebook account pages, groups, and so on, so that we can prepare our traffic. We can prepare our audience towards the end of the class, so that when we get there, we know that we start. Some people will start having audience. You can have up to 20, 100 gradually. So it will not take time for us to start generating money. All my aim and my utmost desire by the grace of God is to see us succeed, is to see us make money out of this. So, but then a lot is required from us. You cannot fold your hands and it works. All we need is commitment. Please do not allow my efforts to be in vain. Do not allow my efforts to be in vain. I will advise, I will plead with us. Please let us put in our best. Let us try our best. I know it will not be easy, but then nothing that once you commit your heart to it, you can have it. Once it is in your heart, you can have it. You will always have it. So I'll beckon on us to please try our best on whatever assignment we have. We've started it. There should be no, don't give up. Winners never quit. You cannot win as a quitter. So once you don't give up, You always make it. Since it is working, it's working for me. Yeah, it's working for me. That's so it can work for you. It is working for me, so it can work for you. So there's no harm in it. All right. So having said that, as I said earlier, or I said during the class, I told us that in as much as this class is free, please let us get what is required of us. What do we need? A laptop. Please get a laptop. It's very important. There are so many things we will do that we cannot do on phones. Get a laptop, even if it means borrowing, even just for this period of this class or 1 or 2 days, just get a laptop. Get a laptop. You will not regret it. Yes, get a laptop. I know some people within the next 3 months you start seeing the results. It's not fun. It's not gambling. It's not gambling, and it's not a Ponzi scheme. It's reality. It's real. So I want us to put in the best of our efforts because it is productive. At the point when the starting, when you start something, it's a bit difficult to build, but once you get down, it becomes very easy. Becomes very easy. So please don't be on the side that says, this thing is too difficult. It's very easy. Just needs your time. Just need your commitment. Needs your heart and mind. If it can work for others, it can work for me. It can work for you. So all you need to do is to put in your best. So and I said in the class that because of like today, this class maybe so many people would have attended it because of the time. I think the time has caused a lot of people not to attend the class because some people would be at work. So going forward, this class will be held in the evening or later in the night or early in the night. Sorry. So we'll adjust the time to either 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. And for this start, for a start now, we'll be holding the class twice a week. The next class, this is 1st October, the next class will hold on Saturday by 8 p.m. The next class will hold on Saturday by 8 p.m. Saturday should be the 4th of October by 8 p.m. Please get your tools ready. On this video, a WhatsApp group will be attached. No, it will not be attached on the video because the video will be on YouTube. Anybody can watch it. Or I will send a mail with a WhatsApp group link. So for easy communications, because all the tutorials on this web or the tutorials, most of the tutorials I will send it before the date. So we will go through the videos, watch and do what you can do. Do a task. Will give us task. Yeah, it will be task concentrated. So what we'll do is before the next class, I'm going to give you a set of videos that you watch, then tasks that we have to do. Then when we come to the class, I will just go through it, do an overview of it. Then we ask questions that we have. So that's what is going to happen. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Ubre1 AI. And one more thing, I remember that the criteria for being admitted to this course was for us to invite at least 10 friends to subscribe to YouTube channel. You see now, that was just a test and it still stands. Yes. So if you have not invited 10 friends to subscribe to this channel, you still have that chance because when it comes to where we will use that as a criteria, we're going to use it. Yes. So please invite 10 friends to subscribe. That's not too much. That's not too much. This is billion naira project. That that is it because the whole of your lifetime you can't imagine in a year, you in a month, yeah, when you start making at least $1,000 in a month, you know that at the end of the month, you know what that means. So this is a lifetime project, and I'm asking you to invite just 10 friends, and it become a challenge to so many people. Wow. So please invite 10 friends. You can invite more friends to subscribe. We want this message to be preached. We want everybody to get to know about this so that we can help people to come out of poverty. We can help people to stand. We can help our society. We can impact our society. So just invite 10 friends, touch 10 lives so that they can also be share in this blessing. Okay, so that will be the end. If you have any question, you can um, send it in the comment section and we'll attend to that. It's nice having you in today, the one. I will see you in the next video. See you in the class. So we'll communicate more on the WhatsApp group. Thank you.